Good morning, Fair, and good morning, Ma'am Reni. I will present my presentation to hammer. The hammer is very simple striking tool, being just weighted head and the handle to direct its course. Types of hammer. Ball peen hammer. Ball peen hammer is very useful tool approaching. The head of hammer is mother of hardened steel. The handle of hickory or other hardwood. Strike hammer. Strike hammer is used for spreading or drawing out metal inland with the handle. Cross pin hammer. Cross pin hammer is used for operation at track and just with the handle. Next, claw hammer. Claw hammer is used for driving and pulling knives. Leech hammer. Leech hammer useful for installing and removing balancing leads that are attached to vehicle wheels. Rohit hammer. Rohit hammer is used for leather craft, jewelry, and assembling electric motor and fan machinery. Next, screwdriver. Screwdriver.
Screwdrivers.
Screwdriver. Screwdriver, a tool for opening or installing on various machine and electronic device.
Machine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Types of screwdriver. Standard screwdriver. Standard screwdriver.
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 Yeah.
Standard screwdriver is used for most ordinary work and comes in variety of sizes. Offset screwdriver. Offset screwdriver makes work possible at its time corners with are straight, tips will not enter. Philip tip screwdriver. Philip tip screwdriver.
Driver. Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. Philip tip screwdriver. Mother bit is specially separate to fit Phillips screwdriver crossword screws.
The last.
The last rigid screwdriver. Rigid screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
Rigid screwdriver is used to drive or remove small screws rapidly.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much
And see you.
and see you.